Today, I'm creating a beautiful sunset horse shadow painting, and I'd love for you to join me step by step on this artistic journey. To begin, I worked on the background. I chose a warm shade of orange and blended it softly with touches of yellow. Together, these colors capture the gentle glow of the evening sky, giving that magical, golden hour feeling almost, as if the sun is sinking slowly right before your eyes. This stage is always one of my favorites because the sky sets the whole mood of the painting. Once the background was ready, I moved on to the ground. I painted the grass in solid black since this is a shadow-style artwork. The bold, dark base contrasts beautifully against the bright and glowing sunset, instantly creating depth and balance in the composition. Next came the heart of the painting, the horse. I carefully outlined its shape with a pencil, and then slowly began to fill it in with paint. This part of the process felt so peaceful, almost like meditation. With each brushstroke, the horse started to take form. I paid close attention to little details, like the natural flow of the mane, the gentle curve of the tail, and the strong yet graceful stance of the horse. These touches made the silhouette feel alive and expressive, even without color. But as I looked at the painting, I felt something was still missing. To bring the scene to life, I added a few birds gliding across the glowing sky, giving the artwork movement and freedom. Finally, I placed a glowing sun on the horizon, tying everything together and completing the scene. The finished painting filled me with so much joy. It's not just a picture, it's a calming moment frozen on canvas, reminding me of peace, beauty, and the quiet magic of sunsets. I truly enjoyed every step of creating it, and I hope you felt that same calm and inspiration while watching. If you enjoyed this artwork, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends,